All right. Welcome back. Welcome back. There's something I want to share with us, and that is oh God, Obieze, the man called Obieze, and as you can see on the title, PA to Lasuba. This man, many of you know what he actually stands for. He has been busy on YE social platform, yapping nonsense, and please, YE such as diplomat here, I want you to alert your madam's PA Obieze that this her message. This is message that Kai Report actually played it, and I'm not playing it to promote or to attack anybody, but just to kind of respond to it, to react on that. I hope we are good. Now, let's start. Watch.
Honorable Professor Dekunate.
Hey,
Dr. Mrs. Adakule.
Hey,
my sister,
he said, he said,
I used to see this man on my comment section before. I don't know that he's the Obieze. So you are the one called Obieze, right? One thing I want you to understand before you, this is your professor, right? Professor Ojugana Warres, Dr. Ojugana Warres. Hey, it's Niboye Bejugo. Obieze, which part of Igbo are you? I genuinely want to know, not because of anything, but Kamana de Molo Professor Ojugana Warres. We'll give him another. Anyway, hear him again. Let me take it back a little bit.
Honorable Professor Dekunate.
Nacho kisi abu. Easy patient be like the kisi ogini. Get okay say go go really. Anyway, need to go. You need to go because of form of man for leg. Watch.
Dr. Mrs. Adakule.
hey,
Dr. Mrs. Adakurikuli.
My sister,
he said,
Okay.
he said, hey, he said, Nabai, he said,
No, once you become the leader now, and I beg you fundraise now, so you leader of in the Lasuba Republic. Because you are baby in Ghana because all the can chocolate Dutch but Okoko we are post. After all busy keep us as in on be already now. So people do be. So keep us it will be na is apata na go join together because all ga abu the obi ga abu the eze. Then there's an Agwana why is such a Lasuba. Forms there, this is Lasuba Republic. Sudan 2.0 country, right? Oga Fegona, but I see an Akusho on the last ana. He all the same thing. Just Sana very first lesson, you never receive as a leader, why I something. on zero was if on no is now after all basic you.
Yes. A na-agbachi ka ha bepụta a na-anụ agha niile a na-agwọ okwu niile a na-agwọ na-agwa gị apịta ndị a na-agwọ okwu siri ike o.
This video, this is their conversation before the 1st of September or before the news break out. And let me take it back a bit. Pay attention. So, can you feel cool here?
Yes.
Brain ebido boot we. If we can get no go abon. So he believe I didn't add online, so he did not even pick by body language that we are here to mock him. He cannot come out. We have to finalize it. Negenti, they say reply here. The answer is not straight because she has something in mind. Because her reaction now that the news breakout tells you that from get-go, she already knew because she's part and parcel of the plan. Watch. If I catch you, and I it doesn't go on and eventually things are arranged. No, you want to know, but I mean that PM will be released on first. That was what we basically was trying to point out here. In again, then look at her reaction. Yes or no in Akwadogo, because he can't answer that because she knew that things will turn. And she said it. Listen. Because you are not leading anything. You are not leading anything. Your own is to react and react negatively and cause problem, lies, and push propaganda against anybody that you don't like. But being that obvious, we have, like, oh, Madam obvious, if not, how can you not persuade her to answer your question? No, you want to go meaning that PM is coming out. What is the arrangement? I hope you have gathered your information and everything that you're going to present to PM to show him, because in the minds of this man called the man, I'm a because upon him, you should have known that PM don't deal with people like this woman. Not at all. Once you are, because PM is a man of principle. Once you are stepping away from what you're supposed to do, you become an issue with PM. PM don't like it, which is every real human being will not take it. Man, guess anything.
Prime Minister.
That lady in UK program before. Yeah, bro, busy no busy, so you had busy man,
You see how senseless this man is. I'm not trying to insult him, but sometimes you have to say it the way it is. In a DPM, a platform, you have never for once called that DPM on a question and answer program, or even get yourself involved. Drive, I'm not gonna platform or you use platform like nonsense. When you call this why is social now, when you call Lasuba's platform, did you hear or see anything resemble USB government presence there? The answer is no. My name this is how, because we are natural blackmailer. Natural. Nah, some people, yeah. What?
Obieze sụọ Igbo, aji m Oyibo mee program data with English version. No, there is one that they like to do in English, making go viral, international. Speak English.
Criminal-minded woman. What she's trying to say here, because she have watched the video where we highlight that part, that each time she want to talk about organized time you come and do na ngribo or join it together, whatever that kind of thing. And she's here trying to act as if they said, because I know how you roll. The thing is that you started the program in Igbo language. All this while that you have talked to Madam Obiese, you did not speak English. All is, but now you realize that okay, this is time to let them know that yes, I have right to speak English when I want that, because that's how your mentality. I know it is very, very low. Once you move, make a move, people will see. What she's trying to do here, she actually don't want to be able to speak English though. What she wants to do is to tell you that she have watched, she have listened to what we said. Like I said it here. Why is it that each time she want to say something, she will wait and wait and wait. Once you want to talk about Ogboni, because he's passing a message. But now that, because that dance that she danced is to cement everything, that now she have long time to everything that PM have finally, the only person of in I told we give it challenge or it disgrace here with PM. I don't blame her for thinking that way, because Biafrans know if they actually want to stop her, they know. I'm not even USB government now, but I'm not in a position to say anything about it. The choice is yours. Okay, I'm not here to go beyond my limits. If you know, you know.
Today, this night. I know, but because that net, there is a people.
They don't hear English. When you go to China, you have to get Chinese or you look for interpreter. If you want to speak to UN, call them, they get secretary, they get the advisor, and then come and interpret.
This one, me and Indember and they come talk to international.
They know they're happy. They know that, because they say they will not do it for so many times. They know they get first. People are there, they know they speak English. But anyhow,
just to encourage, trying to encourage her to keep on. Don't learn English. It doesn't matter. After all, well, then why did she learn French? If learning language is an issue, is she not speaking French? So
my concern, the person who get this business, where establish this business, where would they do?
Upon this man was says, also suppose him and if I done no pull leg off. In our also pull leg of some people, because now I could ever that she speak Igbo language in her video. Once you get to the part where she want to talk about nobody, she will switch on to English. These are all reaction to what? To that. That no if any no nothing better. But Obieze as a Madam Obieze, you can't even she will never understand this Lasuba. And he sounds more educated than Lasuba. But Lasuba is playing with his brain. That's what when Lasuba look at some of these people calling her, she know that some of them have a certificate better than her, or maybe they're educated better than her, they may even be more connected better than her, but they are still subjected to her own sense of reason. That's why that gives her. That's why she come out and said the professors and doctors are panicking each time she want to talk. Nobody panics. The only thing is that people are in shock that you have a mature woman at your age that claim that you have children and all that, but your behavior is like somebody who lives in a happy state. If you know what I mean by happy state, you know. Yeah, I don't think you know. Anyway.
Come back. When they talk about report card, like you go to school today, the school won't open. The school will open in 3 or 4 days' time. Today, you don't go to prepare ground. Don't be so the work they go.
That's so now.
So the owner of the work, where would they inside, where the free? You travel, you go somewhere. Now somebody is establishing. They don't just come from one look later. We know the person who creates bridge, the Biafran Republic government in their side.
It's okay, so we are not talking about to bridge you. Well, no, the problem is not bridge. The problem.
No, I'm not talking about bridge. I'm going somewhere. I'm going somewhere.
Okay,
we are talking about people claiming to be the PMO or claiming to be DPMO or claiming that I don't separate.
That's the problem. Claiming what? What exactly? Claiming, really claiming. You are not a member of the cabinet, so what do you mean by claiming? This is the same way that, because all of these are, DOS people. The same thing they say. That's why I said that they're repeating, recycling their script. The same people that said the PM claim to be PM. That's why they say so-called PM. So this self-acclaimed PM. Even Nigerian newspapers are writing that. That's why I made it clear to others. Why is it that when this like Daily Post and Vanguard, when they want to write about PM, they said the self-acclaimed leader. That's what they use. But when you get to they just mention a Buhan, Briggy acting prime minister. I was like, eh? But if you know, you know. You understand? I'm not gonna say much about it. This video is I don't want it to be too long, but let's see how far we can go on it.
My own, I don't do this. I don't follow time on again. It doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. I never see somebody establish business to boy inside the shop. Walk out to go somewhere. As they come back, the boy go change the organ business name, change everything, say the shop now belongs to him. You know, it work like that. You must give account. After you give account finish, you got to come settle you. That's why that's what they do. We will be in the we have a business. God born us from as we then said our mama they say we don't take out we do business don't come out. Our heart is beat. That is today. Say make I come out.
You they do business in your mother's room. Who is wait till this people say you are doing business in your mother's room. Who is the customer and who is the non you are as a dealer or you are selling it in a host. What kind of product are you selling in your mother's room? Can't too much. That's the same way that one of the US members said that he studied he went to school to be in his mother's room. I was like, what is the name of the school in your mother's room and how many teachers do you have there? What is the subject that you studied there?
So you know they work like that. Somebody establish something to you, if you have you over, say, okay, you claim we are not gay. But according to what you say, what you told us, that they give you surrogate. Surrogate. That is caretaker. Caretaker to take care of this thing. Let me come. So if somebody give you something caretaker, you have to follow.
Nobody ever told me anything give her a surrogate.
We are not there, but according to what she said.
Surrogate is not caretaker. is deputy. Let me just put it out there. Surrogate is not just caretaker, because when you say caretaker, it can be anybody. But deputy must come with the structure. This person is your deputy. So is surrogate. This person is your second, your assistant. Not a caretaker can be, maybe if PM picked Ogenkere, then it should be, it is a caretaker because he bypassed the natural order, the natural flow of power, which is him, and as a PM, next is COS, as based on the way the government was structured. So not just caretaker. Caretaker could be like, please correct me if I'm wrong. Some of you that know better. When you say caretaker and surrogate, because last time I checked, surrogate means to deputize, and deputy, based on that, for the fact that she's a COS, it fall on her table. The whole thing fall on her table, and many people agree to that, but some people agree, then disagree because of they don't like COS character, attitude, and all that, which is understandable. But you don't need to lie. Just say that yes, even yes, but I can never support her. It will make more sense than start lying to people that no, she's not the one. Be real. Yes, she's the deputy. She's she holds that power, the right, and everything. But you don't like her. It will make it, at least people would have just okay. That's your stand. Not to say no. That's nobody gave her, like what you want to say now. Nobody gave her. She don't even need to give it because she's already COS. COS of Abazonia is the one leading them. I keep on saying this. Let's continue.
What come out of our mouth? That is what we will judge. If you go to court, it's what come out of your mouth that teach you, not what you take inside. We cannot get inside and come up. But what she told us is they told her all about to give her surrogate. From surrogate, the next thing we see DPM. Now they give her DPM, Deputy Prime Minister. So if you are deputizing for somebody, you have to prepare for audit, for account, accountability. Even in government, like in America, she resides in America. Donald Trump, after 100 days, they do this. The press secretary will go out to the public and they address the press. Look at what this man has done for the past 100 days. Look at the project. My guy just asked him. I recorded like 12 DPM have told us that she is a good thing. All of them is false. No one is true. So all these people that is fighting for nothing. What is their problem? What are they looking for?
But you should have mentioned those things, those 20 options or 20 things that she claimed, or according to you, that she has executed, and you find out that all of them are not true. You should have just mentioned those things so that we also help. You would have helped us to also have the same copy. Maybe after this, can you also make it snappy? Because I don't know how to hear you. You know, you always call in a 6 hours video for Lasuba, and maybe you can go to other platform and say it, because must not your head is not tied on why is such as a West. So you can also change platform to let Biafra know those 20 things you are talking about. It will help. It will go a long way to help.
Are they looking for Biafra? Or they just want to, every morning they come out to have fun? I don't understand what is their problem. Our house is on fire. Look at the death everywhere, killing everywhere. How can they kill it?
Our house is on fire, and you want to quench it on why is such a platform? If you're not Mamihe Kologi.
The people that you tell us that you are governing, you are the GPM, you are the prime minister. Nobody, you are in charge of everywhere.
You and the Kukuna and why is such and the Sia, all of you people are in the same boat. You also have access. You guys are the one. Your own member Kukuna, the Biafran Disunite, told the whole world that the Liberation Army are not working with the USB. They are not working with Ogekere, meaning that they are working with him then. So you should channel this your complaint to him. That's what I think that is better. Or less, they are also not working with you guys. But I don't see the reason why you know who they are working with and the intels when they are taking amnesty and when they are not taking amnesty, when they receive money and when they don't receive money. You know all those things. Yet you don't know anything like who they are working for and who they are working with and all that. It doesn't make any sense. Since you can know something like this, you should know the other one. I'm just saying. But the choice is yours to tell us. If not, I advise that you should also go to that you could now to understand it better.
And people are coming into your spirit, they are killing your people. You keep silent. I don't know if that.
You are saying this that people are coming to kill your people and you keep silent. You are saying that in presence of a woman who kicked against self-defense. I don't understand some people. Any attempt, any move made, you kick against it. Anything at all, you kick against it. So what is the point? If you don't like it, you have chance to create your own. You guys fall back to Oginkere. From there, move out to CRC. From the same CRC that formed Oginkere. you guys are adding drama, and that is why PM and everybody that are actually representing you people are going through a lot, because it is not easy to defend crazy people. This woman, Lasuba's presence is enough to cause delay and problem. It's enough, because she can. That's why I said she have used the good thing that Biafran did for her against Biafrans.
That is government or just don't understand. If anybody have the answer, let the person come and tell us.
The only thing I tell Ngozala Bese, let him go and collect the gun way by Shia. The back where she recruited. All the bandits where he show us on that me. Because these people use that gun, they destroy our land. It's Nigerian military terrorists. That's all.
Now, let me tell you, because this man said, Ngozi Olabeze, why she feels so confident in going to court, according to her body, because she thinks she's smart. She's going to present Biafran USB army presented on 10th of May, and it said these are terrorists destroying our land. The same people asking you, show me your army, show me what you guys are doing. Once you show them, they will. This is the mindset of this, and you see some people that have access to these people. They will ignore it and start looking for what you said against army and what you did not say against army. They will threaten you, telling you that, okay, come back now. If I catch you, that kind of thing. But Ijele speak is in Nigeria. Attacking Masamanaka, attacking PM, attacking different person, attacking even the Butos on himself. Attacking everybody. Nobody, it's okay. What name of this guy? If I forgot to mention him even in the video that I released this morning, right? If I also celebrating. And people who are telling you that they're going to do this and do that and do that, they are there. Imagine people threatening anybody that is abroad, and they ignore people that are at home saying the same thing that made them to threaten you that is abroad. In fact, what people with them they said is more detrimental, is more bad to compare what they think we have said from abroad. Inezere ndị ugwu na ndị amị n'aja, inezere ndị Biafran the patient army as well, ndị na-ezo ogologo ọfa, inezere ndị media, ndị na-agwa ala agwa isozi na-agwa ha na-ekwere ya na ya kwurifedo ka ga-edetu afọ ife ha na-ewepụ ya na ndụ wepụ ndụ ya. Ị ga na-ezere everything. Then ikwu asị na ikwu ikwukwere eziokwu ị na-ekwu, you are in agreement with them, like you support PM, you agree with what PM is doing, you want him to be free, you want him to everything to be successful. The same thing that those who are working with him, both cabinet or anything, or even in army, are meant to believe the same thing that PM believe, right? They focus people who actually calling for PM head. They don't talk, they focus, they turn blind eyes on those ones, calling for PM to, calling PM's head, wishing that PM will buy or anything at all to happen to him, God forbid. They will ignore those ones and turn around to threaten you. So what is the connection? So does it mean that you are trying to make people believe that you are in line with what people represent in pretense? Because if I thought that you are real for what you are real in what you are saying, there's no need you love people who are calling for your head and turn around to turn around in search of somebody who somehow have belief and trust with what you're supposed to have belief and trust with, being the PM and the templates. It baffles me. We know many people that are calling for PM head that they are there. Nobody called them or the same thing. But somebody who is with the PM is the one that giving the deadline, giving that person threats, telling them. So these are things that our people are doing, and it's very, very shocking, to be honest with you. Let's go back.
Yes, I don't understand how people think what they have in mind. If you're angry with somebody, just take it, go to the person and solve your problem. This is a national issue. It's a national problem. We can't just remain like this and we hope things will get better. It's not going to get better if we don't stand up and fight for our rights. We can't continue like this. Just deceiving us, telling us story, the book of Madame story, every blessed day. Enough is enough. August is about to finish. On Monday now, we enter September 1st. We enter new months. So we remain just like this, everywhere is just falling apart. Okigwe is on fire. Oro is on fire. Now Bakassi is no. How can we continue like this? We are not peace. Let us tell ourselves the truth. We are not peace. Never is happening to when the is. We can't continue like this. Telling us story. You buy whistle. You buy this one. You do this one. You take a plane. You do. Where is all these promises? Where is all these promises? Because no event, no history. This is the same pattern of Nigeria. We are not like we are going to Biafra. We can't continue. We can't use this time to end.
Everything you mentioned here that you are looking for where they are, all of them, you and your Madam Obieze and Lasuba, you guys kicked against it. You do not even believe in it. So why are you asking for it then? You kicked against self-defense. You kicked against decentralization. You kicked against whistle. You kicked against when the PM said that we are moving, that is talking to airline. Talking to airline is not to bring people going back, but to have airline that is going to land, just like you have Ethiopia airline, that we have routes to land in our land, because the only Ethiopia is the only international plane that is landing in our territory. I hope you know that. Talking to airline is to have such connection. If there's another airline that we agree, that's whenever you want to go home, you don't need to land in Lagos or in Abuja. You can now land straight to Ibadan. But you guys said that not land a plane. So it depends on how you understand it, is up to you. Like, this is my own take on that. Then the issue of self-defense, you kick your Lasuba here, kicked against it. Probably you did the same thing. You have counted this one, you have time to count this one. How about what Waiso just said? How many of them did you count? He told you that PM called her and said, fall back. I'm obvious, I'm just asking. When PM said fall back, okay, according to her, the PM gave her time frame. PM also told her, according to her, don't stop attack on social media. Did she stop? Answer. Did she stop? I don't want to go to that other area, but you know what, but that one has to do with the security. About the way she had about her way of establishing contact with people that PM actually warned about is in public domain. And you know better than that because I believe that she's briefing you somehow before going on air. So don't lie to you because although you are not a good person, you are not.
It's in Nigeria that the governor will promise, I will do this, I will do that, I will give you people pure water, I will tie the road, I will give electricity. After 8 years, nothing, from fire to my pan. Nobody will ask questions. The same thing during Obasanjo regime. Obasanjo promised light. One contract of more than $15 billion for energy sector, for power sector. Up to today, where's the power? Even some company that they award the contract, they didn't even go to the site.
I beg you, shut up. This Madame Obese, you are something. You are not man enough to be honest with you. I don't want to continue playing this nonsense because he started talking about insulting another one of our sister and yapping nonsense. I don't need to bring that here because there's no point for that. Lies is something these people know. Is one of the things that they know that their own trademark is to dish out lie and quit yourself. No what if they mean your job. Please tell me what you think about all this nonsense that this man said here. What's your take? Do you agree? Maybe some of you may agree. Let me know what you think on comments, and I would like to read from you. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe. Subscribe to the channel. Very, very important. If you don't mind, subscribe, and like the video. Give it a thumbs up. Bye bye for now. Take care of yourself.